The Challenger disaster on January 28, 1986, killed 7 crew members when a faulty O-ring on a rocket booster failed in cold weather, causing the shuttle to disintegrate. Warnings were ignored due to schedule pressure, exposing NASA's safety flaws.
Of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it has cleared the tower.
Now control. Roger, roll, Challenger. Good roll program confirmed. Challenger now heading downrange. Engines beginning throttling down now at 94%. Normal throttles for most of the flight, 104%. We'll throttle down to 65% shortly. Engines at 65%, 3 engines running normally, 3 good fuel cells, 3 good APUs. Velocity 2,257 feet per second. Altitude 4.3 nautical miles, downrange distance 3 nautical miles. Engines throttling up, 3 engines now at 104%.
Challenger, go at throttle up.
Challenger, go at throttle up. 1 minute 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per second. Altitude 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance 7 nautical miles. Flight controllers here looking very carefully at the situation. Obviously a major malfunction. We have no downlink.
After the Challenger disaster, shuttle flights paused for nearly 3 years. The Rogers Commission identified O-ring flaws and NASA's organizational issues. NASA overhauled safety practices, redesigned boosters, and resumed flights in 1988.